Hello, I'm Michael Harding, the CEO of Viamor Research Group. This summer I spent countless hours doing one simple test, which is to determine whether or not cancer cells were simply alive or dead after being exposed to certain compounds. And I hated this test. This test took way too much time, took tens of chemicals, and just simply was destructive and didn't get as much information as was necessary in a lot of instances. For this reason, I put together a team to create a new, better test. A test that doesn't use chemicals, a test that doesn't take tens of hours, and a test that is automatic.
In development of our prototypes, we've been really thinking about what Michael noticed in his research, as well as what customers have been saying to us. We are excited to announce that our prototype only has 3 parts, which is an extreme simplicity improvement in terms of the other products, and we've seen improvements both in the realm of cost and throughput. Our cost is lower than any other method because it doesn't require any chemical input every time you want to run a test. So we see that our method actually pays off in under a year, even for a very small user. In the area of throughput, our test only takes 10 minutes to run. This is compared to the 1 to 2 days that normally takes a test to run. We are excited to have produced 2 rounds of prototyping and are moving more toward a research and validation stage at this point in our product development. We've brought on 2 more people to help in this effort to try to push our idea out to the St. Louis community as well as to greater markets. We've brought on a few people for an executive team who are St. Louis experts, and we have a couple of research mentors that are also helping us out in that area. As we look to capitalize our idea, we are pushing for more networking opportunities as well as some capital so we can start really pushing out our device.
An Arch grant would enable us to secure intellectual property, to gather the resources that we need to publish our research, and would allow us to gather all the materials that we need to sell our first products. We're extremely excited about our go-to-market strategy because we have a dual monetization strategy that allows us to either sell the device directly to research institutions or to sell the test to institutions that might not be able to pay for the device itself. We've talked to many researchers who indicated that at $15,000 there would be an extremely large market for our device. WashU currently has over 200 labs that run this testing, and if we could sell just a quarter of these labs our device, we would become extremely profitable. St. Louis is an entrepreneurial town with deep biotech roots. We want to be the next big biotech startup to come out of St. Louis.